There are smart ways to speak in different situations. That's why today, we're going to look at some clever English phrases you can use to sound more natural and like a native speaker. We often repeat the same phrases, which can make our speaking dull. That's why I'm making this video, to share different smart phrases you can use to spice up your English. Keep watching to learn more, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Let's talk about making plans. Instead of just saying, "Let's meet tonight," you could use phrases like, "Let's grab a coffee sometime." This doesn't always mean you'll actually go for coffee. It's just a way to suggest a casual meetup. You could also say, "Let's catch up for a coffee," or "Let's catch up over a coffee sometime," which focuses more on chatting than the coffee itself. If you don't have specific plans in mind, "Let's hang out tonight" works well. It simply means spending time together, no matter what you do. If you want to suggest hanging out, but don't have a plan yet, try, "Do you want to hang out sometime?" To confirm plans, you might say, "If that's okay with you." If you can't accept an invitation, it's polite to be less direct. Instead of a flat "no," try, "It's very kind of you, but I have other plans." Or, "I really appreciate your offer, but unfortunately, I can't." If an offer sounds great but you can't make it, say, "It's very tempting, but I have to study for my exam." If you need time to think about an offer, "Let me sleep on this" is a good phrase. To politely decline an invitation, you might say, "I think I'm going to pass on it," or "Can I take a rain check on it?" If you don't want to explain why you can't come, simply say, "I'm sorry, I don't think I can make it." If someone turns down your invitation, respond kindly. Use phrases like, "Never mind, it's fine," or "Forget what I just said" to show that it's okay. If you're disappointed, you can express it with, "Oh no, that's a bummer, but get well soon." Ending a conversation or meeting is also important. Instead of abruptly leaving, say, "It's time for me to head out," or "I'd better be going." To stay updated, use "keep me posted." But be aware that sometimes this phrase can mean the person isn't interested. Finally, "It was nice seeing you. Take care" is a warm way to say goodbye. That's it for today. Check out the links below for my courses and workbooks. If you're learning English, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon and take care.